Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make hot fudge sauce, which is, you never wanna buy it again. You always wanna make it. It is so easy to make with things that are already in your cabinet, and it takes about maybe 10 minutes tops. Best thing is you can freeze it and you can gift it to friends, so pretty great. Here's what you do. You measure out 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and chop up 5 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. Pour everything into a medium saucepan. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Whisk it all together. Then set it over medium heat and stir often until it bubbles. Then remove it from the heat, add the chocolate pieces, and 2 tablespoons of butter. And you've got hot fudge. That is really perfect for a Sunday.